Good morning, boys and girls. Right now we're going to say the sounds. I want you to put your fingers up and trace along with me. C, cat, k. Second sound. C, s, city, s, followed by E, I, or Y. A, apple, a. M, mask, m. G, gate, g. D, dog, d. T, tent, t. S, sun, s. F, fan, f. Q, queen, qu. No English word ends in Q. It is always followed by U. N, nest, n. L, lock, ul. B, ball, b. I, igloo, I. H, hat, h. J, jet, j. No English word ends in J. K, key, k. O, octopus, ah. P, pot, p. U, umbrella, W, web, w. Z, zebra, z. X, fox, Y, yo, y. Second sound, Y, happy, E, at the end of a long word. Third sound, Y, cry, I, at the end of a short word. R, rat, V, van, v. No English word ends in V. It is always followed by E. E, egg, eh. F, L, S, Z, double, at the end of a one-syllable word after a short vowel. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k, at the end of a short word after a short vowel. CH, chair, ch. WH, whistle, w. TCH, match, ch, at the end of a short word after a short vowel. A, consonant, magic, E, ape, A. What does the E do to the A? Make it say its name, and the name is A, and the sound is A. I, consonant, magic, E, pine, I. What does the E do to the I? Make it say its name, and the name is I, and the sound is I. O, consonant, magic, E, home, O. What does the E do to the O? Make it say its name, and the name is O, and the sound is O. U, consonant, magic, E, mule, U. What does the E do to the U? Make it say its name. The name is U, and the sound is U or U. E, consonant, magic, E, Eve, E. What does the E do to the E? Make it say its name, and the name is E, and the sound is E. EE, feet, E, position, middle. OA, boat, O, position, middle. AI, rain, A, position, middle. AY, play, A, position, end. EA, eat, E, position, middle or end. Okay, now we're going to be doing the sight words. You're going to put your fingers up and spell out the word along with me. Break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. Again, break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. Eyes closed. Break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. The pencil breaks every time I write a lot. Break. When something gets broken. Second word is guess. Fingers up. Guess. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Again, guess. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Eyes closed. Guess. G-U-E-S-S. Can you take a guess how many gumballs are in the jar? Next word, change. Fingers up, change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Again, change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Eyes closed, change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Matt changed his shirt and pants. Dollars, fingers up, dollars. D-O-L-L-A-R-S, dollars. Again, dollars. D-O-L-L-A-R-S, dollars. Eyes closed. Dollars. D-O-L-L-A-R-S, dollars. How many dollars does it cost to buy a bicycle? Last word, weather. 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 Eyes closed. Weather. 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 It looks like today's weather is chilly and rainy. Weather. All right, now what I want you to do is take out a book or a piece of paper, and I want you to write these words 5 times each and post it on Class Dojo. Okay, go ahead.